Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cold brew V60 step by step. Start with 40 g medium coarse coffee, place a V60 and paper filter, and rinse the filter with cold water. Add coffee to the V60, pour 200 g cold water slowly to saturate, then let steep for 12 to 16 hours in the fridge. After steeping, gently press or decant, then enjoy chilled or diluted to taste. Cold brew V60 is about patience and control, and using the right grind and ratio makes a clean cold extraction. Use a medium coarse grind, similar to coarse sand, and measure 1:5 coffee to water for a concentrate or 1:10 for ready to drink. Always start with filtered cold water and pre-wet the paper to remove flavors. Store it covered in the fridge while steeping for 12 to 16 hours for balanced flavor. Please subscribe and like if you are finding this helpful. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for kitchen timers, playlists, and coffee shop ambience. I use it while brewing to set timers and play mellow music. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for your setup. Now let's get back to the video. After steeping, remove the V60 and let the slurry settle briefly to ease filtration. Place the V60 over a carafe, slowly pour the liquid through the paper to separate grounds, and avoid pressing hard, which extracts bitterness. Taste the concentrate and dilute with water or milk to preferred strength, often 1 part concentrate to 2 parts water for everyday use. Serve over ice and garnish with citrus peel or a splash of simple syrup if desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.